Hello everyone! You are on the Adventure Ukraine channel. Today, we will be connecting additional lights to the Honda Transalp 2024 directly to the motorcycle's electrical system. For this, we will need removing the side plastic, 2 special connectors for integration into the onboard network. Removing the plastic is quite easy, though it requires some patience. Here are the connectors that need to be attached. We have a yellow and black wire, a green and blue with black wire. Now, let's check the wiring diagram to see which ones are for the fog lights. The wire length is sufficient. No cutting or stripping is required. I start the connection from the right side. The connector is attached. Next, we move on to the seat. I remove it because we need to short-circuit 2 contacts in the connector. It is essential to apply protective film where the seat touches the frame since, even with just 500 kilometers of mileage, where marks are already visible. I'm looking for the necessary connector. Here it is, slightly hidden. It needs to be shorted. I will now show how. Now, I turn on the ignition. Hold the joystick to the right. Enter the menu. Scroll down to the Service section. Move to the right to Equipment. Here, we have the quick shifter, heated grips, and fog lights. Select Fog Lights and turn them on. Press the joystick to the left to exit the menu. After that, you need to turn the ignition off and on again, then remove the jumper. Now, let's check. I press the Function button, and the fog lights are working. The connection process turned out to be quite simple, with no need to visit a service center. This is important to me because traveling to the service takes more time than installing it myself. Honda, as always, is on top. Now I will assemble the other side, and that's it. The disassembly and assembly process is standard, so there's nothing special to comment on. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like. This is a series of videos about the Honda Transalp 2024.